double secure on both of this. So one, now you see one, it was like encapsulate, and the other ones, it is like have a crystal on the top. So I'm gonna do this one first. This is, we just need to seal and like cap the metal beads and frame. Leave the crystal alone. Crystal are really nice, and it's, I think it's anchored down really well, so you don't even need to run the precision glue around the crystal at all, because they are smaller SS, like SS6, 8, SS4, 5. So then they are stay really nice. Only I need to do is my job to seal the metal beads to make sure they are not going to get tarnished on the top. And give for 60 seconds. And then we are going to do the next one. How's everything is over in TikTok? Is that, can you guys view is okay? TikTok, okay. Here for 60 seconds on that beauty. And then second one, oh, this one is really cool though. I like it a lot. Really cool. All right. So now we are going to seal. I am go ahead and seal. This is a metals charm. And then beads right here. I will find all the beads to seals on the top and completely. So then that way it won't not only not catching on your hair, your clothes, or getting your way, but also it's going to prevent all the metal beads is turning tarnish after you're washing your hand. It is gonna make the client so happy. They love it. They can still able to wear the nails without worrying about wearing all the crystal charm and chain and any beautiful gorgeous designs, is without worry about it's gonna coming off. So I'm gonna go ahead, when if you pay attention when I'm doing it, go around with the edges of the crystal right here. I feel scratchy. When it happened like that, so you just need to squeeze just a little bit. You see that how much I do? It's even less than that. But also, when after you seal each layer and then you feel like it's still sketchy and the client still feel it's like catching on the hair or on the clothes or anything, you can definitely repeat that step again and make sure each layer, each time you are sealing it, you give it about 30-second key flash key, so then that way it won't not flooding your crystals. All right, so this beauty is gonna be key for 60 seconds.